Hi, my name is Zach Johnson and welcome to the Johnson Sling TSi build channel. Likely if you found this channel you already know what a Sling TSi is, but if you're unfamiliar, it is a modern kit-built airplane that you can build at home. This channel is going to have two goals in mind. Number one, I would like it to be for my documentation purposes, and then number two is if that documentation can help other people that are looking to build a Sling TSi or are currently building a Sling TSi, hopefully those videos can produce some value. These videos are going to be time-lapse, slideshow, voiceover type of videos that I might call out some issues I've had or some modifications I've made or anything else that might be helpful to somebody else. So a brief intro about me. I started flying in 2022. I started flight training that year. I earned my private pilots that year. And then in the following year, I earned my instrument rating. My ultimate goal of flying has always been just to be a hobby, just for fun. I really like the fact of flying my wife and kids to vacations or just a day trip or just circling in the air is also fun. That is kind of the ultimate goal. Currently, I'm part of a local flying club that has 3 airplanes available, a Piper Cherokee, a Piper Archer, and a Piper Dakota. They all have modern Garmin avionics, and it's a great club. My one problem is I am an hour away, so every time I want to fly, it's a 1-hour drive, 1 hour back. It would be much better if I had an airplane that was closer to home. And I so happen to live in a town that has an airport, and if I could have a plane there, that would make that a lot better for me, and I'd be supporting my local community. So the plan is going to be release videos as I complete the kits. At the time of this recording, I've already completed the empennage kit, the wing kit, and working on the fuselage kit. As I get some time over the next few months, I'll edit those videos and I'll post them out here. But that's kind of the plan going forward. I might make some videos of the reasons why we decided to go with the Sling TSi, or maybe the pros and cons that we used to get to that determination. But we'll see if it fits and if I've got time to do that. Right now the focus is on building the plane, not editing videos. So we'll see what happens. Thank you for stopping by and checking it out. I hope these videos are helpful. Thank you.